Bree's excited to be somewhere other than stuck at home. She thinks she's on a roller coaster. Woo! So Ben's at work. We dropped him off this morning and we was just driving back and we thought, what an absolute pearler of a day. The sun is shining. It is really, really hot. What time is it? It's 20 to 10 in the morning and we are already on 25 degrees. So we are definitely making the most of today. So we're going to head over to Cleethorpes Beach. One mum, 3 lively kids and a load of gear. We've nipped back home and packed us a picnic. We've got the picnic blanket, some drinks.
And surfboards.
Surfboards, yeah. We even picked up the bodyboards, Mills, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because why not?
Mills, beach.
Where are we going, Henny?
Beach.
Right, let's go. Where are we going, B? Where are you going, BB? So Mills has had to go get Bree. Oh, too cute. Me and Henry have found the perfect spot. If there's one thing that lockdown has taught us, it's to appreciate what is on your doorstep. Because all this is on our doorstep. Why? No, just strip off down to your shreddies now, mate. Oh, babe, don't grab me with your grufty hands. Bree, you okay? Okay? Hey, gorgeous. What are you doing?
Sandcastle.
A sandcastle. What, to live in? That's a really good plan. Good idea. You'll enjoy that, do you? My bag now. It's going! Go on, Ed, jump! Jump! Yay! Well done! Who won?
Me.
Come on, Rafe, go prod that snake.
There you
Yeah. You wait in a minute when it gobbles Rafe up.
I touched it. Go on, Wayne, you'll go.
Go on, Bree. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash.
Well, go touch it then if that's all it is.
Yeah, go on then.
I don't want it.
Go on, Wyatt.